Hey, Aaron at Redbird Speed here. I want to talk today a little bit about Wilwood brake kits and Mopar axles. So I have a few notes here. We're going to talk a little bit about the offset, hub, flange, access holes, and green bearings. So first thing, when you buy a Wilwood kit with your factory axles, you're going to come across a lot of these hurdles on why they won't work. So I have some solutions linked up below. You can take a look at those, but let's talk a little bit about these. First off, is it a 2.36 or a 2.5 offset? These axles are going to use a green style bearing, so it's a one-piece bearing, so we're getting away from the two-piece factory taper bearing type setup with the adjusters. We're getting away from that. These have a snap ring on them, they have an O-ring around the outside, and it's a one-piece ball bearing. So this green bearing is going to be an aftermarket bearing. It's going to work with this Wilwood kit. We've got all the axle specs to work with either kit. I'll link these kits up below also if you want to take a look at them. So these are going to fit the 5-hole Mopar flange. It's going to be a factory type flange with 5 holes in it. It's very unique. So all this is going to work together with that. Next, the hub and the flange. The Wilwood kit, it's not going to take your factory hub size. We're going to make that fit the brake kit. You don't have to worry about that. The flange, we're going to turn down, so it's going to fit in there. You're not going to have to worry about it clearing any like internal parking brake mechanism or anything like that. That's all going to work together. Next, the access hole. If you do have an internal parking brake mechanism on your brake kit, you're going to need that in order to get a socket through there. So you can fit like a socket with an extension through there, secure your nuts on your T-bolts, and boot your brake kit up. So it's not an easy thing to do when you have that internal parking brake mechanism in the way. And I did mention the green bearings. They're one-piece bearing. They got a snap ring on them. So we're getting away from the factory taper bearing type setup. So I'll link these all up below. Really what we need to know is what length of axles you have by year, make, model. Whatever you have, we're going to have the right length axles. You want to narrow it up an inch per side or something like that, doing something custom, give me a call. We'll help you out with that also. We have these brake kits. We have these axles. I've got these bearings if you need them. We have a lot of solutions here. So any questions, get a hold of me. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, email me. Probably best to call me, 260-301-2424. It's probably the best thing to do. Just give me a call. I'll answer any of your questions on the phone. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks for checking out the video. Give us a subscribe. We appreciate your support. Have a good day.